Hi there, I'm Dimche from Deco Village Soncegor, and today we're gonna talk about earth plaster. How to make earth plaster. That is the easiest plaster to do. I know that you're very confused, you just see the finished product and you think that it's difficult, but it's not. It's very easy. You just need to have some clay or soil. If you don't have clay, you can work with soil. We have soil all around us. You just need the soil that has a little bit clay in it. You will see if there is a clay in your soil. If you wet the soil, you put water in the soil, and you see if the soil makes form. I will show you now. If after adding water to the soil sticks like this, then it has a lot of clay in it. That is the easiest way to see if there is a clay in your soil. If your soil sticks like this after you put water in it, after you mix the soil with water, you can do forms with it. Then it has clay. This here is pure clay, but it's the same with soil. If it has clay, it will stick to the form. You can do like this and see if there is a clay in it. If you don't have clay, the material won't stick together and it will fall apart. So this is the easiest way. And after you determine if there is a clay in your soil, you just need to take some straw and mix it with your clay. That is the straw acts like a rebar in the soil, so it makes it stronger and makes it more durable. Here I have some clay. My clay is mixed with water. I mix it with water, and then I took a straw and just mix it all together. I'm going to use my soil to make forms on my windows. I have some old recycled windows and I want them to make them more artistic. So I'm going to put a clay ornament on it. And because I want to make clay ornaments, I will use a straw that is longer. If the straw is longer, you can make forms with it. And if you want to just plaster it, you just need to chop the straw and mix it with the sand and the clay. After I mix the clay with straw, you see you can make forms with it. It's very easy. You can make all kind of forms. You can even make a circle. You can make anything you like. It's up to your imagination to make some forms. And you just take this form and you just put it on the place where you want to be. Now I'm putting it here. First, this thing to stick on the surface, you just need to put a little clay in it. You just take clay from the soil and you just put a tiny layer of clay or soil mixed with water, wet clay. And now this form will stick to this very easily. It will become like one with the window. I'm making a zigzag line for this window that represents the line of life, ups and downs, the life. We use it in our culture a lot, this line. So I decided to put on the windows. Now you see we have a form did it like this. we just take the clay, mix it with straw and make forms with it and stick it. You can do all kind of forms with it. You can do flowers, you can do anything. It's up to you. Now I will show you up close.